over here. Let's have some late lunch. Milkfish, or we may call here in the Philippines, sizzling bangus. See that? Smells so good. This could be my day 24 of not eating meat, like pork, chicken, beef, for my abstinence. For those who just browse in, I'm just doing this year 3, as you can see on my caption, and sorry, since when I had my cross for Ash Wednesday this March something. Is it February? Forgot. I don't like.